Hello everyone, this is Nandita here, and this is the love reading for the Scorpios for the month of July. And it may not resonate with each one of you, but whatever resonates, please take with you. Please drop a comment if you like the reading, and that would be very grateful of you for supporting my channel. So please like, subscribe to my channel, and now without further ado, let's begin with the Scorpios. Okay, this is your reading first, all my Scorpios. I'm first doing the water elements. Okay, so give me the recent past of my lovely Scorpios. Please give me the recent past, my love team. Scorpios Collective, give me the recent past. Alright. So the recent past is the Hanged Man. I feel in the recent past, Scorpios, you have been non-active, you have remained suspended. You are just trying to evaluate things, you are trying to, assess things, you are not taking any action, and you are in a state of suspension, it seems. Okay, this is your recent past. So up till now, you have been very, very inactive. Now please give me the current energy of the Scorpio, my love team. What is the current energy? What is the current energy of the Scorpios collective? Okay, so the current energy which you are in is Page of Swords. In the past, you are very, very inactive, and presently also you seem to be, you are trying to clarify things in your life. You are trying to get the truth. You want to get out of this feeling of suspension. This is what the Page of Wands telling me, that you are in search of truth. You somebody, and also it could be like, somebody was watching you and is really, after you, keeping an eye on you. Anything like that can happen, but you're actually searching for the truth, it seems, my Scorpios. Now what is the near future, my love team? What is the near future? What is the near future for the Scorpios? Knight of Swords in the reverse. So in the near future, again, someone is not very stable and very in and out of your life, very fast moving energy. Somebody comes into your life, might come into your life and go away as quickly, as soon as it comes in. So there will be somebody rushing, but that person is also not stable. You cannot rely upon that person. You cannot depend upon that person. This is what your reading is telling me. So please be careful. Okay. Now please give me the overall energy of the Scorpions. What is the overall energy of the Scorpions? That is why you are searching the truth. I think you are searching the truth about this person. This person is not stable. This person can be a air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I can also see Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay. So please be careful. Don't trust that person immediately. Okay. Now let's see what is the overall energy, my love team, for the Scorpios. What is the overall energy? Okay, the overall energy is the Star. You are really wishing upon something. You are wishing upon that your future should be very bright. Maybe you're wishing upon some person who should come into your life. You're wishing upon somebody, with whom you can have a long-term commitment. This is what the overall energy of your reading is. Now and what you can't see coming at the bottom of the deck, you have the World. You have the World card, which means you want accomplishment, you want success. That's why you're praying to God. You see the Star card, wishing upon a star, but it's in the reverse. That means things are not in your favor right now. Things are not in your favor. The time is not in your favor. The stars may not be in your favor, but you are desperately praying to God that things should work out in your life. You should achieve success in your lives. You should accomplish a task which you have set your eyes on. Now let's clarify the person in the Scorpio's life. What is the recent past of the person in the life of Scorpios? What is the recent past of that person? My love team, please tell me what is in the recent past. What is in the recent past? Okay. The recent past of your person is the card Sun. Your person was in a very happy zone, and they were very happy in all aspects of their life, whether it is relationships, home, work, whether it was an affair. In the past they were very happy, maybe they were very happy with you, but now you seem to be inactive, suspended, not doing anything. What is the current energy of your person? Give me the current energy of your person. Give me the current energy of your person. The current energy is Four of Swords. So your person is actually healing. They are trying to come out, or rather they have come out of the healing. They have come out of the rest. They were taking rest. They were trying to recover from some sort of situation, and it seems that they have come out of the resting period. This is the current energy of your partner. Now let's see what is in the near future. Give me the near future of your partner. What is the near future of your partner? Alright, the near future is a Magician. And what you can't see at the bottom of your deck is the Knight of Wands. So in the near future, I feel that this person is, this person could be a Leo. This person is very bright, very intelligent. This person is very talented also. He or she could be very talented also. And in the near future, they will use everything possible in their means to manifest whatever they want. Manifest is like, they want the results, and they have the capability of getting the results they want. They are talented, they are very active, and they have intelligence. They have the intelligence to get the results they want. Okay. Now, what is the overall energy? What is the overall energy of your person? My love team. What is the overall energy? My love team. Okay, the overall energy is the Wheel of Fortune. Things are changing for this person very fast, and there might be ups and downs in the lives of this person going on. So that is why And what you can't see coming at the bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups. So that means they want to offer love to you. They do want to offer love to you, but they are actually they are waiting for you to take the action. And you also wish, you're also wishing that your dreams may come true, but the stars are not favoring both of you, because this person is going through ups and downs in his life, and your stars are also saying that they are not moving in the direction you want. You also want accomplishment, you also want success in your life, and this person is ready to offer you love. So this is what I'm getting, the Scorpios, in your reading. The energy between you two is that in the past, this person has been very open to you. Now also this person is very open to you. They want to offer you love, but since they are going through their own changes, and they very well know how to manifest things, how to get what they want in life. And as for you, you are actually not depending on anyone. You don't want to depend in this Knight of Swords energy, because this person is not very stable. This is not providing you a long-term relationship. So you are not interested in this kind of things which change, which are not stable, which change very fast. And here this person knows how to change things very fast. This person can also be manipulative. So this is what I have for you, my Scorpios, and thank you for tuning in, and bye bye.